This part's going to take a little bit of practice, so I'm just doing one measure for this lesson. So remember that lesson 1 in the right hand ended with these notes here. A C sharp with the pinky here. Today's lesson we're going to start with a C sharp 1 octave down with finger number 1. This C sharp is the third one down from the top of the keyboard. So we're going to play C sharp with finger 1, followed by a G sharp here, the middle of the 3 black notes, with finger 2. So C sharp with finger 1, G sharp with finger 2, followed by an E with our pinky. That's a bit of a reach. C sharp, G sharp, E. But it's doable. If you have long fingers, you could actually play these 3 notes at once, but you don't have to. So if you have shorter fingers, it's okay. C sharp, G sharp, E. Just one at a time. C sharp, G sharp, E, and then an A with finger 3. C sharp, G sharp, E, A. Finger 1, 2, 5, 3. 1, 2, 5, 3. Okay, so you want to practice that at different speeds, nice and slow and steady. A little faster. Quicker still. So after this, the thumb is now going to go down to a C here. Okay, that's 1/2 step below the C sharp we started with. So it's C. And then an F sharp with finger 2. And then a D sharp with our pinky, or finger 5, which is 1/2 step down from the high note we played earlier. So we have, and then a G sharp with finger 3. Notice how my hand remains flexible and rotates with the notes as I play. Okay, again, practice at various speeds, nice and slow. Rotating your hand as you play. And a little quicker. So we have this. And then we're going to reach all the way down to a G sharp with our thumb. So we're playing a G sharp up top here with finger 3. So we're going to go a whole octave down with our thumb. It's a little bit of a reach because we're used to doing that with pinky and thumb. But in this song, we're doing finger 3 followed by finger 1 or our thumb. So we have reach with our thumb. And then with finger 2, we're going to play an E here. Again, a little bit of a reach. And then a C sharp with finger 5. So it's okay, so we have C sharp, G sharp, E, A, C, F sharp, D sharp, G sharp, reach down to the G sharp, E, C sharp, and then an F sharp with finger 3. Okay, again, let's practice that at various speeds. Leaving our hand flexible as we play, so we rotate into each of these notes. All right, so we have and then the G sharp again to a D sharp to a C and an E. Okay, so we're playing the G sharp with finger 1, D sharp with finger 2, C with finger 5, and E with finger 2. So again, G sharp, D sharp, C, E, finger 1, 2, 5, 2. From the beginning, nice and slow. And then we're going to finish by playing 2 C sharps with thumb and pinky. So this part is a little softer. And then the two C sharps will be quite a bit louder. Again, you're going to want to practice this at all different speeds. Slow and steady, keeping in perfect time. A little bit quicker. Faster still. And even quicker. Okay, let's add in the left hand now. The left hand is going to require a little bit of reaching as well. So if you remember, the left hand ended in the last lesson with these three notes. And from this F sharp with the pinky, we're going to go back to a C sharp with our pinky here. And we're going to play C sharp with finger 5, followed by a G sharp with finger 3, and we're going to reach all the way to an E with finger 1. And we're going to play that nice and quick. The good news is we don't have to hold any of those notes down, so if it's hard to reach, you can release those notes as you go. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that the right hand is going to play the C sharp, that first C sharp, when the left hand hits the E. So the left hand kind of starts this. Also, the left hand is going to be staccato, so it's going to sound like that. Again, C sharp, G sharp, and then when you hit the E, you play the C sharp in the right hand at the same time. And finish this, nothing in the left hand is playing with those last three notes there. So after playing C sharp, G sharp, E with our left hand, again, you don't have to play these all at once, I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes. We're going to move our pinky to a G sharp down here, and this is going to be a bit of a reach. G sharp with the pinky to an F sharp with finger 2, all the way to a C with finger 1, and we're going to play that the same way, staccato and very quickly. G sharp, F sharp, C. So we have, and then same thing, when we play that C, the right hand is going to start its part on the C. So we have, okay, that's probably going to require a little bit of practice. Let's do it nice and slow. The good news is that the next two parts in the left hand are a little bit easier. So after this and this, it just goes to this, a C sharp, E, and C sharp, which you can reach all those notes at the same time because it's just an octave span. And you're going to play that staccato, just all three notes at once. So with the right hand, it sounds like this. Notice how all these sound at the same time. The C sharp, E, and C sharp together with the G sharp, right? Nothing as complicated as the last two. So let's do those three. Okay, so we have. And then finally, the left hand is just going to play two G sharps. So from here to here. Again, staccato, and just the two notes that time. This is the easiest one in the left hand of all four of them. Okay, so we have. And then finally, just like in the beginning of the song, we're playing four C sharps at the same time. The two at the top, and the same two at the bottom that we started the song with. So let's try that at various speeds. Nice and slow first. A little quicker. Faster. Even faster. One more time. Okay, let's play it from the beginning now. Let's start a little slower. Okay, let's do it just a little faster. Okay, and a little quicker. You definitely want to practice this song with a metronome. Every time you learn a new part, start slow, practice both slow and fast. You want to practice slow so you're technically playing all the notes correct, and little by little you want to speed it up.